Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1972 Plymouth Grand Sport factory stage 1 convertible. One of 81 cars ever built, guys, and I mean gorgeous. Complete frame-off restoration. From what I gather, it looks like it's got about 1,400 miles on the resto. Car's out of Florida. It was originally out of North Carolina. And gentleman has owned this car since 1994. Just a killer car, guys. Wait till you see the pictures of the bottom of this car. It is a real, like I say, one of 81, documented by the Sloan Museum, GS Stage 1 convertible cars ever built. It's finished in, I think Buick calls it Regal black. It was actually it's not the original color. It was, I can't remember the color. It's like an orangish red. I can't remember what they actually called it. But he's changed it to triple black. It's got the factory black vinyl interior, new convertible top, power top with the glass rear window. And I mean gorgeous, guys. Factory ram air hood. And I'll tell you, there's not a whole lot you can really pick at on this car. It is slick. I believe it's got the original bumpers. It's only got 65,000 original miles on it. Again, slick paint. It's got the dual sport mirrors. When you see the pictures, man, we have brutal weather outside right now. I don't know if you can even see it out there, but I hate shooting these things inside. It just, they just don't come out right. It's just so much brighter outside. But man, I got the photos done. They were a little quick. It was the quickest photo session ever. It's about 10 degrees out there right now, and we get these snow squalls that just pop up that are horrible, and got lucky. We got the photo shoot in. It's got the factory, what they call through bumper exhaust ports with the correct chrome tips. Great sound. Again, really slick paint. You can see the car's nice and straight down the sides. I love this body style. I think these are just great cars. And like I say, very limited production. Killer car. He's got the factory Buick Rallye wheels on it. Those are the deeper dish ones that it's supposed to have. And again, it's got the Goodyear G60-15 Polyglass tires on it. Front disc brakes. Again, this is a factory 455 stage 1 car, not a matching numbers engine. It does have it's a 72 block. He's actually had this done to 70 specs, so it's actually got the 10-to-1 compression pistons in it, so it's got a little more horsepower than actually they had in 72. Factory 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. It's got the factory ram air hood and air cleaner, chrome valve covers, power steering, power disc brakes, again, air conditioning, cruise control. And detailed up nice. Wait till you see the pictures of the bottom of this car. It is slick. All the Rallye wheels are super nice. The fit and finish on the car is great. Power top works great. We do have the boot for it. This is a remote mirror, it works. Like I said, all the chrome and stainless is really nice. This guy loved this car. You can see how nice the door pads are. Door seams are nice and clean. Factory bench seat. Tilt column. Again, cruise control, Rallye wheel. It's got the rubber floor mats in it. Again, clean, clean, clean car, guys. You can see all the interior lights are working in it. $65,149, and we do have the Florida title that states actual miles. Or I should say we'll have a copy of it. We have to turn ours into Michigan. Functional AM/FM radio, that works. All the gauges work. Again, power top, it works great. It's got dual exhaust. It has the 12 bolt, 342, I think they are, posi rear axle with the rear sway bar. Again, jack and spare is in the trunk. It's all spackle coated like it should be. Boot goes with it. Again, jack with spare. Everything opens and closes really nice. Car hits the road great. Oh shoot, you know what I might be able to give you a little peek underneath here. We got the windows behind us. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. But again, there's gonna be photos of it. I mean, new brake lines. You can see everything is new. It's got the markings on the drive shaft. I mean, this car is nice. Somebody's getting a heck of a car. I hate it with it's so dark in here. It's hard to really see anything. But again, I got you some grip photos. The car just runs awesome. These cars are just beautiful. Again, gauges are all functional. No on the clock. Everything opens and closes nice. Great sound. Radio I know works. It's not going to come on here in the building. Blower motor works. Turn it back on there so see if lights. It does light up and everything. No, it gets it, but it's not going to get a station in here. All your dash lights and where that work. Wipers are functional. If our turn signals are working, I'll probably turn signal switch. Check it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.